Welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to update to fix this problem of time for an update. You need to update your version of Gcash app to continue. Update to version 6.2. Right, so and it says let's go. A lot of people try to click on let's go for it to actually take them to Apple Store or Play Store for them to update the app, but it keeps stopping or redirecting them back to their app. So it's very simple. Once you see this message of time for an update, just simply go to your Play Store or Apple Store and you're going to simply see updates right there, and you're going to update the app immediately. So it's very simple. There's no two-way about it. It's just for you to simply update the version of your Gcash app and you're good to go. Right, so you can see, and if you don't have an update, just try to uninstall the Gcash app and try to install it afresh again, and you're going to get your app automatically updated. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.